Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix Android phone not connecting to Wi-Fi. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I just rooted my Android device and when I turned it back on it won't connect to Wi-Fi. It was working fine before, but when I try to connect to Wi-Fi it won't connect or turns Wi-Fi off automatically. I have looked online for help, but all the content is from a few years ago and doesn't solve my Android phone's Wi-Fi connection issue. Please help. How can I fix an Android phone that won't connect to Wi-Fi? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When Android phone won't connect to Wi-Fi occurs, no need to panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix Android phone will not connect to Wi-Fi problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. Software glitch. The solution is to restart the phone. Restarting your Android phone can fix most software issues and glitches, and this is the first solution we recommend. If your Android phone is not connecting to Wi-Fi is due to software issues and glitches, restarting the phone can be the perfect solution. Try this quick and easy fix. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears, and simply tap the restart icon or button, and your Android phone will automatically restart to the home page. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen, turn off your Android phone, wait for about a minute, and then turn it back on. If it is a temporary software glitch, restarting the phone will help you fix the Android phone can't connect to Wi-Fi problem. After the restart is complete, try to connect to Wi-Fi again to see if it works. Cause 2. Wi-Fi is not turned on or the distance is not enough. The solution is to check if Wi-Fi is on and bring the phone closer to Wi-Fi. If you can't connect to Wi-Fi on Android phone, you should check if Wi-Fi is turned on and if your Android device is within the Wi-Fi range. You may have forgotten to turn on Wi-Fi or it is too far away. Luckily, this problem is easy to fix. First check if Wi-Fi is on. If it is, bring your phone closer to the router and see if you can connect. If Wi-Fi is not on, turn it on and try to connect. Cause 3. Airplane mode is on. The solution is to turn off airplane mode. If for some reason you have airplane mode on your Android device, this could be one of the reasons why phone won't connect to any Wi-Fi. Airplane mode disables Wi-Fi and cellular data usage, so check if airplane mode is on your Android device. On your Android's home page, swipe down from the top of the phone to open the top navigation bar. Check here to see if airplane mode is on. If it is, turn it off immediately. If this is the problem, turning off airplane mode should be able to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Android phone. Cause 4. The router is malfunctioning. The solution is to restart the router. If the above solutions fail to connect your Android phone to Wi-Fi network, you can turn your attention to the router. If the router has a temporary malfunction or has been running for too long, it may also cause the phone won't connect to home Wi-Fi. Therefore, it is necessary to restart the router. Please find the restart button on the router and press it for a long time. After the router restarts, try to connect to Wi-Fi again and see how it works. Cause 5. System error. The solution is to update your phone. Although software versions are not common problems with phone does not recognize any Wi-Fi network, they can fix system errors that may be encountered within the phone. Therefore, software updates are worth a try. Follow the steps below to try to update the operating system. Go to Settings, scroll down to find and tap System or Software Update option. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download the software. Once the update is downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will shut down and then turn back on. Cause 6. Too much network cache or other location issues. The solution is to reset network settings. If you have tried the above 5 steps and your Android phone still won't connect to Wi-Fi, try resetting network settings to clear Wi-Fi passwords and saved networks. This method will not cause your Android device to lose data such as pictures, applications, etc. It will only reset your network settings. Follow the steps below to reset your phone's network settings. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and select System and Updates, then find and select the Reset option. In the Reset interface, you will see the Reset Network Settings option. Click on it, and confirm Reset Network Settings again. Once the reset is complete, try connecting to Wi-Fi again to check if it fixes a phone that won't connect to Wi-Fi. Cause 7. Virus attack. The solution is to factory reset. If you still have the Android phone won't stay connected to Wi-Fi issue, reset your Android device to factory settings. This is not a good option because it will cause you to lose all your data, including photos, files, and contacts. And it requires you to reset your Android phone. Therefore, if you want to restore your Android settings to factory settings, please back up your data before restoring the factory settings. Now follow the steps below to reset your Android phone to factory settings. Open the phone settings, scroll down to find and select System and Update, select the Reset option on the new interface, and finally select the Reset Phone option. After the reset is completed, the Android device may require you to reset your phone. Just follow the prompts to complete the corresponding steps. Finally, try to connect to Wi-Fi again to test whether the problem of cannot connect to internet through Wi-Fi is fixed. Cause 8. There is a problem inside the phone. The solution is to go to the after-sales service center. If your Android phone Wi-Fi connectivity problems persist, there may be a problem with a unit or hardware inside the phone. And you can't fix it yourself, so please take the phone to the mobile after-sales service center to see if they can help you solve the Wi-Fi connection problem. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix a phone that won't connect to Wi-Fi, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.